course, y'all know to hit the Rumble link and go check out the videos over on Rumble. I'm live on YouTube tonight, so y'all know to go check out the Rumble because I had that video up so you can see the studio quality versus the live vertical. Shout out to the live vertical because you know I do my thing. No, don't even do it. Once you start playing Fortnite, about the videos we do with the video part of the show. Now we get to see y'all the grow part of the show. You see what I'm saying? Shout out to your favorite indoor garden consultant. You dig you an hour and a half into the video and you ain't even got to see the plantings we keeping wet right now. You see what I'm saying? I be cheating you. But hold on. First, what we gonna do is stop this Rumble video because ain't no point in me recording whenever I get up and go in there because they ain't even gonna get to see it. That's why you got to be in touch with both sides of the channel. So, you know, sometimes you don't get to see the garden, sometimes you do. If you don't, you see, that's why we have videos for it. Go check me out on both platforms. You dig? Shout out to the people that like your boy on YouTube. But shout out to you guys that love me on Rumble. You dig? Appreciate that. I'll be back to post that video here in a second. Cause you know I gotta post it to Rumble now, but hell, while I ride out, y'all can come with me. You dig? Anyways, stop off at tent two. Let them know they rent due. Show them what they hitting for. Yep, it's tent two. Like you said, we got them double grape because that's the DG. Shout out to the double grape. Uh, Autos from Bear Miller, aka Sam Odin Seed Company. Y'all know he got us growing it on. Well, yeah, we keep something growing on. That's in the Vivo Sun 4x4. That's out the Vivo Sun. Got the Mars Hydro tent over there, but you know how we do. You know how we do. You Vivo Sun too. You dig? Rag over there for those that was wondering. Shout out that part of it too. You dig? Shout out to Kansas City because that's how we roll around here. You dig? But anyways, let's see. We got plants chilling. They doing their thing. Yeah, they're just gonna keep growing, going and going and going and going, and then they're gonna want some more water because they over here going. That's the tent two though. Let's go look at what's in tent. Not the tent one. Tent one light won't be on for about another 30 minutes. And I ain't gonna hold y'all up that long because I already done kidnapped y'all. Made y'all wait that long just to get in the garden. And then I ain't even gonna kick it with y'all too long in here. I'm gonna just let y'all see what the work looking like and be like, all right, that dude doing it though. He doing it. Shouts out to the green room because we doing it. Yeah, that cloner looking good. Look at them plants in the cloner. They nice and lush. Yeah. Plants is doing their thing. That one that I cut clones off of is recovering. Why you yell like Tupac? Because you say